Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Draftkings location not working. So you basically need to enable precise location. Is how you do it, guys. So hold on the Draftkings app. Then you want to click on this icon right here at the top right, the eye icon for more information. Then you want to toggle this on. Remove permissions if app is unused. Click on permissions. Scroll down. Click on location. Now right here, guys, you want to enable this. Allow only while using the app, and then toggle on use precise location. Really that easy and simple. Here's the steps again if you want to go ahead and follow along. So I hope this guide actually provided value to you, and if it did, guys, go ahead and consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you're notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.